Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 16 how to check for notifications on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So for this tutorial, you will need to have access to an iPhone, the Instagram application itself, and then we can click Instagram on your iPhone. Make sure we are signed into the account. Go to your profile, and now we can check to see, do we have any notifications that involve comments, likes, reposts, and where we have the heart logo, bottom right corner of the screen near to the profile. We can click on this, down swipe to see, do we have any notifications? If not, I can then go all the way down to the dock, click on grids, make sure we are signed into the account, and now we can switch accounts, go to my other account that I use, search for computer science videos, and now we can like a couple of photos by double clicking on the photo 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the iPhone, swipe down. 4 photos have been liked. Go back to the profile. Minimize the grids application. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.